In the annals of organized crime in the United States, few names command as much intrigue and respect as Paul Castellano. As the Gambino crime family boss, he navigated the treacherous underworld of the Mafia, eventually ascending to the highest echelons of power. However, his reign was marred by controversy and a gruesome demise that forever altered the dynamics of organized crime. This video delves into the life and career of Paul Castellano, shedding light on both his accomplishments and his downfall. Early life and entry into organized crime. Born on June 26, 1915, in Brooklyn, New York, Paul Castellano grew up in an Italian-American immigrant family. Although his parents valued education and hoped for him to pursue a legitimate career, Castellano fell into a life of crime at an early age. He became associated with the Gambino family, one of the 5 prominent mafia families operating in New York City. Ascension to power. Under the tutelage of Carlo Gambino, Castellano rose through the ranks of the Gambino crime family. Known for his business acumen, Castellano helped transform the family's operations into a lucrative criminal empire. He established ties with influential figures in the construction and concrete industries, using his connections to build a profitable enterprise. In 1976, following Gambino's death, Castellano was named the boss of the Gambino family, marking the pinnacle of his career. Legacy and controversies. Castellano's reign as the head of the Gambino family was marked by both admiration and controversy. On one hand, he implemented a strict code of conduct and emphasized making money through white-collar crimes such as extortion and racketeering. His business-oriented approach earned him the nickname the Howard Hughes of the mob. However, his leadership style generated resentment from other members of the Mafia. Castellano prioritized his role as a businessman over traditional mob values and rituals, alienating those who believed in more traditional hierarchy and loyalty. This tension within the Gambino family would ultimately lead to his undoing. The downfall. On December 16, 1985, Paul Castellano's life came to a violent and abrupt end. As he exited Sparks Steakhouse in Manhattan, he was gunned down in a brazen execution orchestrated by rival mobsters, with John Gotti being one of the key conspirators. Castellano's murder sent shockwaves through the criminal underworld and signaled the rise of Gotti as the new boss of the Gambino family. Conclusion. Paul Castellano's life stands as a testament to the complex and dangerous world of organized crime. With his deft business acumen and managerial skills, he transformed the Gambino family into a formidable criminal organization. However, his decision to prioritize financial gain over traditional values ultimately led to his downfall. Castellano's demise marked a dramatic shift in the power dynamics within the Mafia and remains a significant event in the history of organized crime.